Hello students, how are you all? Good. Welcome to your own channel S2 classes. So in the last class we have started the preparation of alkyl halide from alkane along with the free radical mechanism, and we have completed the things regarding the preparation of alkyl halide from alkane. Now today we are going to see that whenever we are preparing the alkyl halide from alkane, what we have seen कि sir, whenever we are taking CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of H mu, photon or sunlight, we will get directly CH3Cl plus HCl, and this is the industrial process. We will not find any difficulty. But whenever we are reacting it with CH4 plus Br2 in presence of H mu, photon or sunlight, in this case again we will get CH3Br plus HBr. No any problem. So in these two reactions we will not face this problem. But whenever we are doing the reaction CH4 plus F2 in presence of H mu, photon or sunlight, we will see over here there is a explosion happens. It means this reaction is not favorable. This reaction is not favorable for with the help of sunlight as well as free radical mechanism. As well as whenever you have seen over here CH4 plus I2 in presence of H mu, photon or sunlight, if you have not watched the previous video, see it. Otherwise you will understand over here also. So you will get over here CH3HI plus HI, and you have seen that HI is very good reducing agent, and because of reducing agent we will have to use over here HNO3 or HiO4 or HiO3 that convert HI into I2 plus H2O. It means in these two reactions we will face problem. First problem is that we are not able to produce alkyl fluoride. Second problem is that in this case we will have to use the oxidizing agent. And that oxidizing agent is little bit expensive. So to sort out this problem regarding the reaction of this and this, we will have the next method of preparation. Means what I am trying to say, whenever you are trying to prepare alkyl halide in the presence of H mu, photon, sunlight, you will face problem over here. To sort out these two reaction problem, this reaction has been further explained in different ways by Finkelstein. Not Finkelstein. This is Finkelstein. This is dictated by Schwarz. It means further whenever we will see the reaction that this will not happen, the Schwarz sir has told me to do this reaction in different way where you will get alkyl fluoride. And this reaction is further explained by Finkelstein. They will say no need to use oxidizing agent, do the reaction in different way and you will get alkyl iodide, and that the name of this reaction is Finkelstein reaction. So today class target is to complete Schwarz reaction and Finkelstein reaction, and I am trying to make the video of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so it is easy for you to also understand. So now you understand that from where this Schwarz will come and Finkelstein will come. Schwarz will come to sort out the problem of explosion in case of fluorine, and Finkelstein will come to remove oxidizing agent. Without using the oxidizing agent, how can we prepare alkyl iodide in which HI will not produce and it will not disturb us. So now today class target is Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. To come to the topic, this is the next method of preparation of alkyl halide. This is the next method of preparation of alkyl halide, and that is known as, I have told you that there are four methods of preparation of alkyl halide. First, alkane completed. Second, in alkane some problem arises, that is halogen exchange method. Third, alcohol, and fourth, alkene. So we are over here for halogen exchange method. So the heading we will write over here, preparation of alkyl halide from halogen exchange method. From halogen exchange method. So now in this halogen exchange method, the name of this reaction is known as halogen exchange method. What do you mean by halogen exchange method? I will tell you. Don't worry about that. In halogen exchange method, first reaction will come, and that is known as Finkel-Stein reaction. And trust me, I am trying to dictate the topic in such a way. Suppose now you know that in organic chemistry everywhere there is a mechanism needed. Everywhere there is a mechanism needed. So I will not dictate mechanism. I will dictate why the mechanism needed. Mechanism needed to understand the inside thing. So I will dictate any reaction, and with the help of mechanism, without giving the mechanism, I will give you the inside thing. Like in free radical, we have seen what is the intermediate product. So similarly, other where there is a something needed and mechanism is very lengthy, so I will not write the mechanism. I will write only the important point taken out from the mechanism. And after seeing all the videos, you will come to know that what is the way of teaching this Mr. whose name is Prabhat Ranjan. Now, the first method of halogen exchange method is known as Finkel-Stein reaction. And this Finkel-Stein reaction is exclusively for the preparation of alkyl iodide. What this Finkel-Stein sir is saying, he is saying that first go over here in free radical mechanism and use CH4 plus Cl2. In place of CH4, I am just going to write R directly. R should be either, not over here, I will write R, otherwise you will get confused. Suppose over here I am writing CH4 plus Cl2. In presence of H mu, photon or sunlight, what you will get in the industries? You will get CH3Cl plus HCl. Or you can take CH4 plus Br2, because for the fluorine and for the iodine special reaction, so either you can prepare alkyl chloride or you can prepare alkyl bromide. And after preparing alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, take that. Now this I can write like Rx, and R should be anything CH3, C2H5, C3H7, like that is Cn, H2n plus 1. And X should be over here only chlorine or bromine, not iodine and not fluorine. Now what the Finkel-Stein sir is saying, that first prepare alkyl iodide. Okay sir, I have prepared. Not alkyl iodide, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. After preparing that, take that alkyl halide, that is Rx, and X should be over here chlorine and bromine, and react it with NaI, that is sodium iodide. Sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Acetone is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now what happens? There is the iodine will come in place of X, and X will goes over here. It means there is an exchange of halogen. There is an exchange of chlorine and iodine or bromine or iodine. So this reaction is also known as halogen exchange method. And that is in halogen exchange method, the reaction is given by Finkel-Stein. So it is also known as Finkel-Stein reaction. Getting the from here, what you will get the product? You will get the product over here Ri plus NaX, and the X should be either Cl or Br. Getting my point regarding Finkel-Stein reaction? Getting it? Now can I erase this portion? So it is saying that first prepare alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide, and taking that alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide, react that alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide in presence of NaI and acetone, you will get alkyl iodide and sodium chloride or sodium bromide. If you are using Br, the sodium bromide. If you are using Cl, then sodium chloride will be going outside. Now over here, what is the use of this part? What is the use of acetone? So acetone is CH3, C double bond O CH3. Now if you see, oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4 electron. It means it has 1, 2, 3, 4 as a lone pair, because it will need 8 electron to complete the octet. It means 4 should be there as a lone pair. Over here, NaI is there. If you see this reaction, what is going to be inside? So in this inside, what is going to be? Rx is there. Now this X is breaking over here, and because of that it will get negative and it will get positive. Heterolytic fission. Heterolytic fission, or it is known as cleavage. Now whenever asking Finkelstein directly, but understand the inside things, because sometimes they will ask what is the use of acetone. So direct answer is acetone is used to solvate. Acetone is used to solvate. Visible upside? Yes, yes, yes. Where acetone is used to solvate. Acetone is used to solvate. What do you mean by solvate? Now see what I am trying to say. Halogen exchange method. First prepare alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. React it with sodium iodide in presence of acetone. You will get alkyl iodide and NaX. Now over here this NaX is precipitate. I will iterate regarding this also. Acetone. What is the use of acetone? The first Rx should be do the heterolytic fission, and NaI will be break as a ionic bond Na plus I minus. Now it may be possible that before reacting over here, coming over here, and it will come over here, this again react and became NaI, because what it is happening indirectly, I will go over here, or Cl or Br will come with Na. Now NaI is a ionic bond. Now why that ionic bond try to go with alkyl in presence of metal? Sodium is a metal, and iodide is very happy with the metal. So why it is going with R? So over here acetone will come. CH3, C double bond O CH3, and it has lone pair of electron, and acetone will give the prolovan, the attraction of sodium, saying leave your girlfriend and attached with me. It means oxygen is giving its lone pair to the sodium, so sodium became happy after breaking, and it will forget about I, and I is going to be attacked over here, and then X will come. This acetone will little bit lose the things, and X will react over here. It means the acetone used over here is used to solvate sodium, is used to solvate what? Na plus, is used to solvate Na plus. Is there any problem in that? Because if it is not there, acetone is not there, then I again react with Na and form NaI. What he is doing with R? Getting my point? So acetone over here is used to solve it. Second point, the thing over here you will get is a precipitate. The thing over here you will get as a precipitate. And if you have studied equilibrium chapter, in that chemical equilibrium, according to Le Chatelier's principle, according to Le Chatelier principle, if concentration of product decreases, reaction shifted forward. If you didn't know this, whenever I am teaching chemical equilibrium, you will come to know over there. So according to Le Chatelier principle, if the concentration decreases, means precipitate, and what I will do, I will take out the precipitate outside, so reaction shifted forward, and we will get the good yield of alkyl iodide. Good yield of alkyl iodide. And this is all about the first reaction, that is known as Finkelstein reaction, and I have tried to write all the things that is important for this. Everything is visible, yes sir. Now write all the things that is written over here. Now I am going to erase the things written, sir. Okay. Now the second reaction is Schwarz reaction. The second reaction is Schwarz reaction. And again I am saying you that I am trying my hard work to complete all the chemistry syllabus up to 15th of December. And if I get the good response, so don't tell this to anyone right now, but if I get the good response, then I will make the physics video also. But I will do only the hard work for physics. Sir, you are teaching physics also? Yes. You can see my previous video in Hindi language where I am teaching physics also. The first concentration is chemistry. After completing chemistry, suppose I will complete the chemistry, I will get the very good response from your side, and because of that I will get lots of views, lots of subscribers. So I get energy now, because nowadays, so you know, frankly speaking, everyone is running towards name, fame, and I am also a human being. So if I get good views, good subscriber, and I see the good response on my videos, then I will try to complete it as fast as possible. This is the month of October. I will try to complete up to the November, and in December 15 days I will teach some important chapters in physics, like system of rotation motion, SHM, like wave optics, like ray optics, the toughest topic that I will get from the response from your side. Now the second halogen exchange method is known as, but right now don't discuss with anyone, just keep it with you. The second one is Schwarz reaction. Second one is Schwarz reaction. Now Schwarz reaction is exclusive method. It is exclusive method to prepare alkyl fluoride. It is the exclusive method to prepare alkyl fluoride. In this, you didn't have to go with the long things. First, you will prepare alkyl iodide or alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. This X should be Cl or Br. And if you react it with AgF or react it with Hg2F2 or react it with COF2 or react it with SbF3. Over here Rx, Rx, Rx. These are the reagents that will do the halogen exchange method, and it will convert RF. AgF is there, so it is AgCl, not ClX. X should be, you know that, Cl or Br. I have written over here already. Over here you will get RF. Over here again you will get RF. Over here again you will get RF. Over here Hg2F2. So Hg2Cl, not Cl2, X2. X should be Br2 or Cl2. Over here COX2. Over here SbX3. So SbF3. So SbX3. And this is also precipitate, this is also precipitate, this is also precipitate, this is also precipitate. On the arrow you will use dry acetone or directly acetone, acetone, directly acetone or acetone. And I have already told you that this acetone is used to solvate. Over here, to whom it will solvate? Ag plus F minus, so it will solvate Ag plus. Over here, this is precipitate. So you know that concentration of product decreases, reaction shifted forward. Who has told us this? Le Chatelier. According to Le Chatelier principle, this will give the good yield. This will give the good yield. And this is getting my point. All the things I have dictated you earlier very detailing. So I am not doing over here detailing, because in Finkelstein I have dictated already very detailing. Write fast, written. Now this is all about the second method of preparation. The second method of preparation of alkyl halide from first completed alkane, second completed halogen exchange method. Bye. Have a nice evening, not morning. Have a nice afternoon, not evening. Whenever you are watching. Bye. Have a nice day. It is good to say. Bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Take care. And study very hard. Bye.